All right, hello everybody. Thank you for joining me. I am Rachel Axline. And I am part of Team Powerhouse, and I've been with Archer Evolution for 3 years. And as we dive into things, let me just ask you something really quick. No pressure to answer out loud. How many of you have ever thought, dang, I should have been farther along in this by now? Or why does this look easier for everyone else? I don't feel confident enough to show up yet. If that's you, congratulations. You're human. Yay! Here's the reframe I want you to sit with today because your struggles are not slowing your business down. Avoiding your struggles is. Today's training isn't about how to use what you've Today's training is about how to use what you've lived through personally and professionally to become a stronger, more confident, more relatable travel advisor. Not someday, not when you feel ready, like right now. So let's get real for a second. In the travel industry, people don't buy from the most polished agent. They buy from the agent that they trust and that they most connect with. And that trust and that connection doesn't come from perfection. Honestly, it comes from honesty, relatability, lived experience, and also your struggles, like the juggling family and business, the struggles of confidence on social media, the struggles of handling objections and learning systems, especially all this new stuff that keeps popping up on social media because technology is growing so fast, y'all. And most importantly, the struggles of your slow seasons, because I feel like your slow seasons, your down seasons really help define who you are as an agent. Because But also, when you really look at it, these struggles aren't really your weaknesses. They are connection points that you can use for your clients and your audience because your clients, they're not perfect either. They're overwhelmed, they're busy, they're unsure. And when they see you navigate through real life and running a business, that actually builds trust. So drop a thumbs up in the chat if you've ever felt like you needed to get together before showing up. Even if you're watching this on replay, drop a thumbs up in the chat if you've ever felt this way. Okay, good. So we're all in the same boat. We're just sitting in different seats. All right. So most agents don't struggle because they lack accountability. They struggle because of the story they're t like you're telling yourself. Let me let me try to show and tell you what I mean. So instead of telling yourself, I'm bad at sales, I don't have enough experience, I don't look like a travel agent, what the truth, what if you twisted that or just like reframed it in your mind to instead say, you're learning how to communicate value because that's really what sales is. You are communicating value to another human being. Um, what if you reframed, I don't have enough experience to, you're becoming more intentional because you're not perfect. And I hate to break it to you, but even those of us who've been in the industry for a while, we still don't always have it perfect. Even though we have a little bit more experience, we do things with more intention. And you don't have to look like a travel agent. You're building trust. You're not hyping things up. You don't have to like sprinkle glitter everywhere and just be someone you're not. Just be yourself. Because being authentic and being yourself, that's really what is going to build that trust rather than a trend or a hype. Your story and reframe in your mind of and like, okay, so this is the big thing. Quit telling yourself you're behind. You're becoming someone who understands your client and your niche deeply. That's a big difference. So if you're watching this on replay or whether you're live, go ahead and type in the chat and finish this honestly. I'm going to challenge you to try and finish this sentence. The sentence is everything I've struggled, sorry, not everything. Scratch that, erase, start again. Something I've struggled with in my business is something I've struggled with in my business is it could be clients, it could be relating to others, it could be marketing. But if you notice something, none of these mean you should quit. They mean that you're learning. So let's talk about real life, not highlighted reels, real life. An agent, so if you're an agent that struggles with confidence on camera, or like if you're wanting to be more in front of the camera, or just even in front of a person's face, and instead of hiding, maybe you just flat out say, I'm awkward, but I care deeply about helping families travel stress-free. That honestly can help boost your engagement, increase your DMs, and build more trust. Because, like, trust me, y'all, I'm an introvert, and the last thing I want to do is like look at someone in the face. But it's sometimes like even like my extroverted friends, I will look at them in the face and just be like, I know I'm the most awkward person, and they just love me for it because they just know that that's who I am, but they also know the confidence that's behind that inverted awkwardness. Um, Also, like if you're an agent who had a trip fall apart because of delays or because something happened, maybe it wasn't your control, maybe it wasn't. Instead of staying quiet, share how you handled it. Now, that story sells your service because it's not just the destinations that sell your service, it's also the mistakes and the delays and the hiccups that come along the way. Because that's part about building trust because clients want to know that when, pardon my French, but when shit hits the fan, that you're going to be there and you're going to be able to problem solve whether you know how to figure it out or not. You have that problem solving ability to dig them out of whatever rut that they're in, even especially if they're traveling, y'all. Because we live in a crazy world, and I don't know if you've been watching the news lately, but a lot of things have been happening to where us as travel advisors have had to really put our skills to use to help our clients during unfortunate times. And that's what separates a good travel advisor from the rest. Also, if you're an agent who felt overwhelmed, but who felt or just feels overwhelmed by the systems, because it's a lot of systems, it's a lot of training, it's a lot of like information. And if just sharing those pointers, those things like, here's what I wish I knew sooner, you're able to lead others. You're able to share your struggles, and your struggles become powerful moments that help someone else. So let's make this practical without oversharing the trauma dumping, because a lot of what I just mentioned is trauma stuff. It's stuff that we've been through, it's stuff that we learn from. But you want to make it practical and you don't want to overshare a lot of the trauma dumping. You really want to highlight that framework and bring out the positives and ask yourself, what did I learn or what did this teach me? Did it teach you or help you learn more about clients, systems, communication, boundaries, marketing? And share those insights and what you learned. Don't share the trauma and the wounds. Let's not bleed onto other people. You don't want to bleed online. You want to teach. And always ask, how does this make me a better travel advisor? If it's not making you better or making someone else better, then either you need to figure out a way on how to better teach it, or it's just not something worth putting out there. Because trust is built through consistency, not one viral post, and it's not built through negativity. It's built through building each other up. So, I'm going to challenge you to finish this sentence. Because I struggle with, I'm better at helping clients with. And acknowledge that answer because that's leadership energy. Because I or you struggled with, I'm better at helping clients with, or I'm better at helping my those I mentor with. So filling out and answering those simple questions and really acknowledging those answers honestly, it can help build you as an agent. It can also provide content and provide material that will help you build a post, build a story, gain clients, get into team conversations, get into conversations with others. Because that pressure to be perfect, you don't have to be perfect. You just have to be real. And parts of these struggles and the stories and your learning and everything that you're going through right now, especially if you're brand new, and you're just getting into the travel industry, you a lot of the stressors and everything that you're going through, use these real experience to help teach others and grow who you are and help grow the industry. And those who are wanting to get into the industry as well, because a lot of us come and struggle in a place of very similar realness. So if so to close out, I want you to hear this clearly. You are not less than because of the things, because you are not less than because things have been hard. You are qualified because you didn't quit. People want to hear your experience and they want to book with you because you don't quit and you didn't quit. Your story matters, your journey matters, and someone out there needs an agent exactly like you to help them book their next trip, to help guide them in leadership, to help guide them as a travel agent. So stop hiding what makes you stronger, and if you're committing to owning your story this year, drop a yes, that's me in the comments. Awesome, y'all. I'm so proud of every single one of you. Thank you for joining me here today on this wonderful training. If you got value from this, please share it with others. And please join me again for another training. All right, everyone. Have a wonderful day. Love you.